Hi guys, and welcome to my first look video on FM Acoustic FM255 clone video. This clone, this is a preamplifier originally produced by FM Acoustics from Switzerland. But this clone is produced by HiFi, but we'll get to that. And I got it a couple of weeks ago for like $300. I'll check the exact price for the full review. In this video we'll take a short look on the chassis, on the outside, external components, and we'll take a look at what's inside. So basically the chassis is very solid, it's very thick, and it looks beautiful. It's like, I don't know, 3 or 4, I think 4 millimeters of solid aluminum, anodized to gold color, and it looks stunning. What's on the outside? We have this vintage look with pushable buttons that stay pushed and they make this beautiful sound. We have 5 inputs available. We have tape output, we have a switch for making the output signal mono, we have a switch for inverting phase of the output balanced connectors, and we have attenuation. We can attenuate the signal by -20 dB. We have one port for setting the balance level and the other one for setting the output power level. Okay, underneath we have a set of 4 legs with rubber fillings here. These tend to stick to other equipment. We have a voltage selector because this one can work with 210 and 20 and 110 volts power networks, and it's made by Breeze. Foshan Technology CO Limited. Yes, we have a serial number here, we have a model number FM255, and it says it's 10 watts of power. I mean, meaning required 10 watts of power. Okay. In the back we have standard IEC power connector. We have a place for serial number because this is basically a one-to-one copy of original FM 555, so it has all the markings exactly the same. We have balanced outputs, we have single-ended RCA outputs, we have 3 sets of RCA inputs and 2 sets of balanced inputs. The RCA connectors are marked with CMC USA. Can you see that? Should be able to see that. Yes. And now the most important thing. So what's inside? It's pretty heavy, as you can see. I will have some kind of turntable soon. Okay, so power input transformer is rated for 50 volt amps. Let's switch to zoom so you'll be maybe able to see that better. Yeah, like that. The PCB board layout looks like the original FM255 that I've seen on the photos, including black boxes. The black boxes in original have stickers with unique serial numbers and signatures of guys that were testing them. Other than that, it looks exactly like in the photos. We have ELNA capacitors. Each one of the blue ones here is ELNA capacitor. We have Omron relay here. Let's take a look at it. What else do we see interesting here? We have a set of pots for setting the bias. The PCB is in old nice yellow vintage color. We have a fuse, internal fuse here. The fuse is described and specifies on the outside of the chassis. And the build looks very nice. I mean, it's plenty of space here. You can see that these are symmetric lines. The switches. Yes. I love them. Although I'm not sure how do they affect the sound quality. But they have been used in exactly the same way in original. So I'm assuming that they knew what they're doing. Okay, the volume pot is Blue Alps. The balance pot is something cheap here, but as you can see, there's some space for something bigger, so it probably can be replaced with something better. And that's it. Let's do one more white. And let's do slow, maybe not like that, but like that. Slow cuts over the build. If you notice something interesting in here that you'd like to ask me about, just do that in the comments section. This preamplifier had finished its burning time. It was burning in for 2 weeks. So it's ready for serious review, but I need to find some free time to do the serious listening session. And once I do that, I'll take my notes and I'll do the proper video review of this FM255 resolution series preamplifier by Chinese producer HiFi. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's stay tuned for the full review. Oh wow, I've just noticed one thing. Have you seen that? These are actually solid aluminum. It's closer to 1 centimeter. Let's check that. 8.2 millimeters. The front plate is 5.8, and the back plate is 4.3. So that explains the weight, but it's really solid. Okay, so see you soon, and I hope you'll have a great day ahead of you. Bye.